We got the one and only Mr. Unstoppable Fire. He hasn't been into the UK soil for quite some while, and I'm so very happy to have him on set this evening. How you doing, brother? I haven't seen you in this long time. What's popping, Mr. Unstoppable Fire? What's good?
I can't believe I made this. Enough time looking at the mirror and me ask myself, I really made this. Enough time me have to laugh. If them ever know the amount of bridge where me cross, me never burn on me give thanks in me pass. Not true you see me a smile, but you don't know the half. Enough days me no eat and enough fast, me a fast. Me nah go tell no lie, me say me proud of myself. Man reach real far and me soul never sell. Me no care where you have, you coulda own a hotel. Man loyal to Jah, now the world a get shell.
The man have a proper intro. Everyone have a proper intro, answer everything, yes, confirm everything. So what's been happening with you? Cause I haven't seen you for this hot minute.
We just there do the working as usual, you know what I mean? Always busy.
Always busy like a bees. You
Yes,
always.
my lad.
I want to know where is your address right now? Cause I don't even know where your address is. Cause every time I look and see you, especially on the gram, you're always some different city. Do you have a permanent address at the moment?
We're no station, man. A police alone station, you know.
It's a no station. So because
No station.
I see you've been traveling a lot, yeah. And for those of you listening and those of you watching, who's never seen Unstoppable Fire before, I never heard anything about Unstoppable Fire. Can you just explain to people who's watching and who's listening who is Unstoppable Fire?
Well, Unstoppable Fire is a youth to sing some good uplifting, conscious, positive music, you know what I mean, and just always pray for just better myself in a life and just always want to do the thing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And just be unstoppable. So
that's where the name Unstoppable come from.
No matter what the fight and the obstacle I'm coming our way, we just keep on fighting and just not give up no matter what. No
That's
matter
right.
what kind of obstacle I'm putting in the way, we just find a way for go around it. So that is Unstoppable Fire.
Yeah, but the last time we seen you, we were on the show before, because you've been a very popular guest the last time you were here, and you've been doing loads of things ever since you left. Talk us through what has happened since we seen you the last time.
So much things, my lad. Go all for place, you know what I mean, in Europe. All for place in Europe, we've been, you know what I mean, to Amsterdam, Switzerland, Denmark, you know what I mean, Germany, France. All for place we've been to, man, and you know what I mean, because I have a band in Germany when we work with more time, you know what I mean.
Okay.
Six Nation band. You know
Yeah, I heard of them before.
Yeah, we and them do some work together, you don't know, live MB music, CMA, I govern anything, you see me, so we're just doing stuff. Just
Doing a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
I want you to explain something to me, because I've been hearing a lot of things about like recording and music playing. How does it work in the industry when you come on to like music, selling off music, and how does that side of the business go? When an artist steps into a studio, records a song, and it's finished, what happens next?
Well, you get a distribution of company for distribute. Well, me just put out an EP in December and Show Some Love.
Yeah.
It was distributed by Zojak, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, it was produced by Live MB Music and Zaya Records. You see me I say, yeah.
So basically the distributors are the ones who are responsible for getting the music out there.
Yeah, for distribute on iTunes, Amazon, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Spotify and all of them.
So how's the love with that the new work you said?
Yeah, man, the people might receive it and them love it, man, you know what I mean? Them love it. You know, everything take time to grow. Cause remember we sing music.
Yeah.
We not sing music, we have expired date, you know.
Okay.
Music them always fresh. When I hear today, I hear tomorrow, I hear next year, next 2 years. Because remember from when we sing the Almighty.
Yeah. It's long. You see
it right now.
Yeah.
It come like a yesterday.
Yesterday your voice, yeah.
And it's a up tempo beat it up and see me.
Yeah.
So them type of music that we sing, we not sing music where we're going to expire next week and we have to keep on. Even though I always have voice, I always a record, but I not really have to kill up myself like some artists because we sing song with substance. Song we live on. You see me? And we catalog well big to all per song we have. What does time?
Just time. He's a master.
Yeah, my
But
lord.
tell me why the preference have been over Europe. Do you rather Europe side, or is just what's available for you? Because I noticed that you're mostly in Europe.
Yeah, I would say, but yeah, them got them show more appreciation. You know what I mean? I would say they appreciate love your music more. You know what I mean? More than the rest of the world, which part. You know what I mean? I've never been to America yet.
Yeah.
On them side, but I've been to Europe, I've been to Trinidad, I've been to Bahamas and them places there. But you know, Jamaica, my place set speed, but Europe.
You're more receptive at
Yeah,
Europe.
it's a different love. You know what I mean? It's a different love. This is so. This is me I go.
So is there any music? Is there any materials that you're working at the moment? Any new music that you have?
Yeah, man, we have all new material, man.
I'm just surprised that you're coming to the studio and you didn't walk. Normally you walk with, you always have like a whole barrage, a thing with you. Because it's the first I see you come to the studio and you don't have, yo, me have a new thing, you know. Because he's always have something exclusive to give. Yeah. Because this is the platform that we use to enlighten people of your works and what's going on. So if you come to the studio, I would like you to bring some material as well to get it out there, right? So talk us through the making of the song that you did earlier and that you gave to me, the Youths. I like that one, the Youths. It's a fast beat. It's almost on the Super Cat beat.
Well, you know, that rhythm the online though. The song that's produced by Live MB Music, you know what I mean? It's a juggling. We have a couple artists on it. We have a Teflon on it, Young King.
Yeah.
And we have Luton Fyah on it. We have Stein on it. We have a couple of artists on it.
That's one of my favorite records.
Yeah.
So if you're watching right now, you can see that he's in studio and he's searching all over to try to find some way to find some media to give to me. But I don't think he have it this time, so I catch him off guard. So he actually find a CD for me. And what I want to do right now, what we're going to do, we're going to be playing one of his songs, yeah? Because this is what we want to just vibe a little bit. Because normally the last time you come and said it was a rush interview and we didn't get to spend much time and try to freelance the thing properly. But no, I think we're going to have you here for a couple of minutes. So
yeah, for real.
It's only right that I play one of your songs live on ear, other than the ones that I've been playing before, because people have been tired of hearing these ones now. So I need to hear something fresh, new. So it's track one.
Let's play music.
Play this music. Okay, let's play music. So if you just lucky, this is the Upnlive show. This is Rick Upnlive. And we got live on set today. We got Unstoppable Fyah, and he said to just play music. So whatever comes out, this is Unstoppable Fyah.
Hello guys, the topic that we're talking about today is love.
Respect.
This is
Oh, no matter wait till me dead and gone. Rate me now.
That's why this is the voice of Unstoppable Fyah. And he's saying love him now, don't wait until him dead and gone. Because a lot of people love people when they're gone and they can't say anything to them. They come into the 9-9s and they sing a lot of things and they say all different words. And yeah, say it to me while I'm alive. Is that the message that you're sending, right?
Yeah, because you have some family member now. So for instance, they're in the Caribbean.
Yeah.
Them they are foreign and you call upon them for your strength and
yeah.
Nothing. They want to tell us that nothing are going and as they're dead.
Everything you get the biggest.
Mount of them fly in.
You get the biggest casket, yeah?
Yeah, man. Whole heap of thing go on.
Yeah.
Rum everything. You see me, I say, so you have to understand these things and I'm better if you help me while I'm alive.
I'm living, yeah?
Yeah. Don't wait till me dead and gone for you give me that strength there. More that strength there while I'm living.
Right now.
You see me, I say, so respect me now, love me now.
Yeah.
Support my music now. No wait till me dead and gone top Unstoppable Fyah. They're a good artist and them sing some good music, you know. No. Give me that strength there. No.
Right now. That makes sense.
No more that strength there. No.
So this EP that you have, right? What inspired you to doing this EP? Is it just something that you did because you could have done it, or was there a reason behind it?
Well, it's just growth in my music because I've been doing this for a while now, you know, my music for a while, so each year we just try to do a different thing, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yes, and the people ask for it, you know what I mean? Because we have some real fans in a way.
Yeah.
From day one.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And them keep me going as well.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Enough time I feel like I give up on the journey, see them, because I know that music business and fear, and because more times you see some artists where not even.
Yeah.
You see me? I say,
I know what you're trying to say.
not even bad like me look a finger, much less.
Oh my
and
God.
you see, say, them out there and they do them things, see me. Wish what we now
You know,
try
we
to
not
put down
find
the
nobody.
artist thing, but we give thanks. But more time them sing some foolish and you get where and them feel like them are the biggest thing and them are hypest thing, and you know what I mean? Really and truly, them not good, them can't perform, them can't do nothing at all. You
Yeah.
see me?
No shots.
And you and
no
enough,
shots
enough
intended.
artists out there, enough good artists there in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Really and truly. You see me, I say we are sing some good music. Artists like even Ras Gold, my virgin, see me from yard and we sing some good music and them not get no support.
Not getting the strength,
You
right?
see me, I say you some look a fool. I sing some song, I say, yo, John was star. So
Boss. It's only turns. Hopefully everybody get a fair chance.
Yeah,
And that's
man.
what we want to see. We don't really want to say to fight anyone, but everybody get a fair chance. And just when your chance comes, you just make use of it.
naturally.
So the EP that you have now, there's loads of songs on it. But which song do you have fun most performing when you're performing? Which song do you enjoy to show to the media when time you're on stage performing? Which is the best song that come to you to deliver to your supporters?
Well, people I'm love I'm blessed, you know. Anywhere I go, the whole crowd sing I'm blessed.
Yeah.
People always go talk and I'm blessed, you know what I mean?
Okay, so that is your perfect track. So that song I Am Blessed, is it just you saying that you're blessed, or was it started from something inspired that movement?
Just the whole life journey, things I'm go through, ups and downs, and me always come out of my situation and me in. So when I look on it, I have to say this is a blessing, you know what I mean? So I am blessed, and you are blessed.
That's right, we are all blessed. So who's your musical influence? Because we asked you this in the last show, but it's been such a long time. We just need to get a proper catch up back with Unstoppable Fyah. Who is the influence in music?
Well, to be honest with you, I don't know Bob Marley influenced me a lot, you know what I mean? I mean, you say they run acting same way. We learn things from him, we learn things from Samundo, same way. Teflon, same way. All of our artists inspire me, man. Any artist who sing good uplifting music inspire me. Same way. Sizzla Kalonji inspire me as well, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So what's the next big move for Unstoppable Fyah?
Well, we have a tour come up soon, you know. Yeah, as you know, I'm always up on the road.
That's what I'm going to say. You've been always touring, so it's a special tour?
Last week we come back from we go Germany, we go Vienna, Austria. Did a show in Vienna, Austria, you know what I mean? So we have some more show for summer year come up, you know. We have some big festival in Europe same year come up, so we just look forward for them show there. We have a tour in October come see me, so
yeah,
I look forward for them tour there, you know what I mean? So we just always work, man. No matter what, we just always work. I don't tell you now, hear we, and you know, see we.
Something is always
working,
doing. Something is always doing, and that's what I like about you.
Yeah. We just always working.
With all the artists in the UK, I can always say this about Unstoppable Fyah. He's always doing something. Every time I link him, it's like, brother, you know, I'm not there though. I'm there one next part of the world, but I'm soon forward. But you always show interest in terms of supporting the Upnlive. We do commend you for that, and we do give thanks for you to showing the support every time. Anytime I call upon you to anything at all, you're always available. I do appreciate that. Trust me. So before we go quickly, can you just tell people how to find your music and how they can find you on social medias and all the marketplaces for your music?
Unstoppable Fyah, you know. The Unstoppable have 2P at the Fyah spell Fyah. You know what I mean? Unstoppable Fyah, yahoo.com, email, you know what I mean? Just Google Unstoppable Fyah, man, and lead it to everything. To contact Unstoppable Fyah. That's the thing there.
That's right.
Yeah, big up Live MB music to the world, you know what I mean?
So you want to give me a little smart cameo before you go? Give me a little freestyle before we leave to the camera, so me, please.
You know, I'm not the freestyle though.
You know the freestyle?
Style is expensive, man.
Well, anyway, it was nice having you on set today, and it was a pleasure. Anytime, brother, we do encourage you to come back and sit with us and chat with us and see what you've been doing. And just a catch up, right? Yeah. Anybody want to say any last shout out to before we go?
Big up to the world, big up to all the listeners them. You know what I mean? See me I say. So me want know why everybody want go heaven but them no want die. So me want know why the wicked gone through but the righteous get denied. So me want know why the government them so thief and lie. So me want know why 4 years in a college and him still not qualify. So many questions still I can't get no answer. Come out shooter so far why them can't get no sponsor. Why are some state them legalize ganja? Why you always I me never yet see you sober? Why you put a trust in a Obia and not Jehovah? Look how roll on chief. Why you travel with bad odor? So me want know why. So I say overdose, big up yourself, you know the thing of Amadeus, the whole crew, big up on yourself, DNA, you know the thing of more love and joy.
Yeah, big up to Amadeus, he's inside the studios. Before we go, we want to say a quick word to Amadeus as well, because he's here inside with us. Overdose. Correction.
Yeah. Step forward, brother.
Step forward, brother. Quick and fast, right now. This is the Upnlive show, and we also have Amadeus. Overdose. We keep on saying the Amadeus, because we used to the Amadeus for a long time. Talk us quick for the name change.
No. Overdose. Amadeus is a different artist, you know?
Okay, you know, but you lot used to party together, right?
Yeah, man. We have sung together as well, you know?
This is where the confusion come from, because I know that you guys were kind of close musically, right?
Yeah, man.
So what's been happening with you right now, Overdose?
Just to go and put you in the works, you know? That's what I mean I say. Last week? Yeah, last week we did the Austrian thing. You see me I say? So,
yeah.
Just to go and put in the work, go and vice up and do some promotion. You see me I say?
Okay.
They have a new song named Jamaica.
Yeah.
They come mash up the place, people.
When is that going to be out?
about next week or so, they'll come out Jamaicans. Jamaicans! Listen for that song, like.
Listen, see, remember you heard it first right here. You hear that first right here, Overdose. And he's going to be dropping a brand new single right here inside the Flames Radio. We're going to be playing it straight after we finish talking to him, all right? But quickly, how we can find your music online? Can you tell people how we can find your music online for us, please? Do you have any social media sites or anything like that?
Yeah, man. Real Overdose. Right across the board.
How you spell that?
RealOvadose. OVADOSE. Overdose.
Overdose. So remember, you can't miss that, people. People do look out for his music.
Real Overdose.
Real Overdose, right? Any last words before you go? You want to shout out to anybody that's locked in right now listening to you?
I want to big up all the fans them now. But we have a big bad song we are to replace now. We're not going like, enough people know say me do it. Named Plastic Rice. Whoa, Jamaican nice. Yeah, sweet paradise. Whoa, sugar and spice. Yeah, Jamaica nice. Jamaica bombastic. Yeah, man.
See
middle of song, man. 80,000 views on Facebook. So I say so. Yeah, man. I just come out now and make everybody know. Say yeah.
So you do the Plastic Rice.
Yeah, man.
Of course. Hey, the Plastic Rice is going with a bag of things, but just
man.
Yeah, but unfortunately I'm a bit short on time, so this is why I'm kind of chop it up and
you have to give me a thing for myself. You know?
Yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna work on that definitely, right? So any last words before we go, quickly?
I just want to big up the world, you know. Big up my youth them. Big up everybody who support Overdose throughout the years and believe in the talent. You see me I say?
That's right.
I know fight me get, you know. Not really fight, but I don't really get enough support from people where they around me. You see me I say?
Yeah.
So it take a while for me if I even start believing in myself and
yeah.
You see me I say, and it's for me believing in myself and start no say, you hear me? Me this, you know, and me have talent, you know, and can do good music, you know. I just start push myself. You see me I say?
That's right.
Yeah, man. So I just big up everybody who did it from day one. And all who just jump on board too.
That's right.
You see me I say, big up everybody.
Yeah, but we have to stop you there, and thank you very much for coming through to the Upnlive show and do stick and see. We're going to be playing one of his singles right now. This is a brand new single, and it goes by the name Overdose. Don't get it right. Overdose straight across the board.
Yard style 876. Overdose.
Remember you heard it here first. This is Overdose
English band, but she fall in love
on Flames Radio.
You can't make me kiss her on the neck and take her by the hand.